we're going to be doing, I'm on our alt account because I switched to PC from Xbox. So what we're going to be doing, oh my god, what have I just done? So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be playing a quick match and we're going to see if I can win a game or get a positive KD with a pistol or with pistols only. So that's what we're going to do. So obviously I'll wait for the game. Come on, I ain't got all day. I ain't got all day. I ain't got all day. Right, so whilst I'm waiting, I'm just gonna oh, we're in. Oh, I've joined the ongoing match and it's round 2. Okay. And the team is being absolutely slapped. Who has a good pistol on attack? I don't have a lot of operators, so oh no, we're defense. Really yell, idiot I am. I'm gonna go Valk. And I like a ring. I'm gonna go Valk. Okay. Right. If you lot think I'm gonna succeed the challenge, let me know. If you don't,
be ready to eliminate hostiles.
oh, this game's loud. I need to turn my mic down. So this is the pistol I'm gonna be doing with challenge with. Let's see if I can get at least 2 kills. Probably this pistol's insane. If I'm not, I'm just a bot. Which I am.
Down to 10 seconds.
Let me move. There we go. Oh god.
5 seconds to insertion.
And the next vid could be me.
Bomb located by Op 4.
It's really weird. I need to change the settings, that's why. Why am I doing this? I just realised what am I doing. Wait, no. My teammate, okay, alright. My teammate's in copper. That's the one. I hear someone. First kill. This could be the first kill. Wait, the C4? Nah, I'm not doing C4, I'm not cheap. I can use it on rotates though. I'm just using pistol. No way, I'm so bad at this game! I'm actually so bad. Terrible. I'm absolutely terrible. Oh. Right, is my team gonna clutch? Oh no. Okay. Alright. Will it clutch? Will they do good? Will they do good? Will they do good? Will they do good? No. Like and subscribe and give me a bite.
You've located a bomb. Make your way to its location and
defuse
defuse
it.
it.
You still have to like and subscribe. Oh crap, I can only use a pistol, can't I? I can use gadgets, but I can't use primary guns. Oh my god, I'm terrible at this game. I'm actually terrible. Yeah, this video's done. Right guys, so what I wanted to say was thank you for watching the video. I'm sorry that the video is so short, but I hope that we can improve the video in the future. So this is the first vid, so I'm going to get better as it goes on. So everyone, peace.